Good day everyone. So in this video I'm gonna share you how you can easily find the house number and also save your favorite location in this Google Map. So you can simply open the Google Map first, and for example I'm going to use the example of this map of Dallas. Basically, if you want to find the house number, it's quite easy and also simple, guys. For example, I'm going to find the map that contains the area of housing. And the trick is you just need to do the zoom in very close. And after that, you're gonna see there are the house number, guys. For example, 9604. And even without clicking, that's gonna give you the preview of this house look and also the location itself. And for example, I want to save the certain area into this Google Map and mark this at, let's say, the place that I want to go. For example, this church. You can simply select this, and then you find this button that is to save, and you can also categorize it, let's say, to be the saved place or the favorite place or the place that you would like to go, the travel plans or the start place. And for example, I'm gonna select this saved place, and now it's already saved into this section. And where can we find it? So you can go to this saved and select this saved place, and there you have it. You can see it into this saved place. So don't forget to try it in this Google Map, and I hope this tool finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.